Hello friends, today I'm going to show you ASUS ROG Phone 5. So I got this phone today morning, so let's see what we get inside the box, and before that we'll see what's on the box. So as you can see here, it is mentioned all the details of serial numbers and IMI numbers and everything. Here it is mentioned one black phone, 12G means 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB means 256 GB of internal storage, 5G dual SIM, 6.7-inch full HD display, one bumper case, 888, that means Snapdragon 888 processor, 24 megapixel front camera, and it has a 64, 13 and 5 megapixel rear cameras. And the box is totally sealed, as you can see here. Let's open this up. So this is my first unboxing of ROG phone. I haven't used ROG phone earlier, so it will be a new experience for me also, my friends. So this is the box. Republic of Gamers 05 ROG phone, and this is a RGB color. Here also it is mentioned as 05. Okay, let's see, the color of the phone is shown here, the black one. See, this is a magnetic one. There is no seal here, as you can see here, there is no seal here. So let's open this up. So this is I think the unbox experience that we get here. Let's dig inside the box. For those who dare. Wow. Keep this aside. This is the phone, and I don't see any. Yes, there is the phone picking up sleeve here. Yeah, this is the phone here. Let's keep this aside. Let's dig at what's inside the box more. Okay, how to remove this? Okay, here we get the charger. As you can see here, this is the USB-C charger, and it is how many watts? As you can see here, it has 5 to 3, that means 15 watt, 9 to 3, and all to the max it has 30 watts of charging capacity. As you can see here, it's mentioned here 30 watts max. Let's take this side, and this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. What's more, oh, this is coming out. Nothing else inside this. There are some adhesive which is removed, I don't know why. So that's the thing. This is some extra bumpers for the sides of the phone, I think. So nothing inside here, nothing inside here. Okay, let's see what it is mentioned here. It's mentioned 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, a launch armory crate, console to scan, AR cartoon. It's mentioned here. Okay, let's keep this all aside, and we'll see what we get more here. So this is the box that first was unboxed here. Here is the SIM ejector tool. It's really nice. As you can see here, my friends, this tool is a bit different. It is just like the RGB logo that ASUS provides. I think, yes, it is a bit different, just like that. So as you can see here, the SIM ejector tool is a bit different. Inside here we get a case. This is the bumper case, I think. Yes, this is the bumper case that we get here. So the quality is bit not that up to the mark. I feel it is very light, and it's very flexible. I think if you move it then it will break, but the sides are very strong. It's because the phone itself is very weight. I think that's why they have done this. Now bringing the phone here, let's open this. As usual, we'll slide it out. Here is mentioned some of the stickers, and we have to remove this sticker later. ROG Phone, this is the RGB light, I suppose. So this is the 6.78 display. As you can see here, this is the front camera. We do get one microphone here. This is the one of the microphone here. This is the SIM ejector. Let's use the SIM ejector tool and remove this and check it out. Yes, it's a bit tight. Yes, it is removed. Yes, it has nano SIM support on both sides, so no micro SD card supports anymore. Okay, let's put this inside here. This is the bumper that we are talking about. This is the bumper. It is used for the secondary USB-C port and the fan connector, and below we get the headphone jack and USB-C port, another one. On right hand side we get another microphone here, power button, the red accent power button, and volume rockers. These are the two touch controls that we can use for the gaming purposes. Okay, let's boot this up and check it out what we got. And these are the two front firing speakers, as you can see here. Let's boot this phone up, my friends. Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite Gaming is written here. So I think you might be able to hear the background music that is running here. So the experience is really good. So let's go. Wow. We need to insert a SIM to set this phone up, or we do need Wi-Fi connection to set this up. So what we will do, we will use the Wi-Fi connection, and I will use the SIM later on, no problem. Let's confirm this. And here are the Wi-Fi connections that we have here, and as usual, you know, this is the Shadowfax, that is my Wi-Fi, and I will connect it. It's asking the password. Let me enter it. There are a few extra options here, my friends. I saw here I have entered the password, but there is option to extend the Wi-Fi coverage. I think the phone can extend the Wi-Fi coverage also. You can select detect automatically metered connection, or you want it to be unmetered connections for us to download datas and download the games. You can use the DHCP, or you can use the static IP address, and you can also randomize your MAC address, or you can use the device MAC address. So this is the thing. Let's connect. So it is connected. Now it is asking to select next, so we will go ahead and select next here. Now it is asking some license agreements, so we will select next here. Know your privacy rights, location, service and GPSs. Okay, connect, confirm. So the phone is getting ready. So it's asking that I need to copy some data from other phones. Don't copy. So I need to enter the Gmail data here, my friends. So let me put this. So as you can see here, we have just few steps away from setting this phone up totally. So now it is asking me to set up a face recognition because this phone supports a Face ID. It has also fingerprint scanner. It is, I think, in-display fingerprint scanner, and it is also asking for a pin or pattern. Okay, so we will skip this now. We will not use anything. So for device protection it's asking, but we'll skip this part. So now it is telling an attention message like this. So please use the upper port of the side mount ports for charging and data transfer. The lower port is to mount the Aero active cooler. Please note the port location for your correct use. Okay, so basically what it's saying is that this is the port that will be used for charging and data transfer. The lower port is to mount Aero cooler. Please note the port is location for correct use. So we should remember this. Now set up air triggers. So these are the air triggers. Set up air triggers. So we continue. So we can use, okay, these are the sensors. Okay, there are air triggers this side. No, there is air triggers this side. So let's see. So it's saying it is easier to trigger squeeze gesture with your lower force level. Okay, so these are the squeeze level. Okay, so after the squeeze is set up, you can go and do now. Then clicking done, there is air trigger setup is completed. Use long squeeze to turn on X mode. You can modify air triggers to launch specific app later in the settings. Okay, now it is asking me to create a ASUS account. We'll do this. So before completing the setup, it is asking me two types of style. One is the ASUS default style, another one is ASUS classic style. So this is the classic, as you can see here. This is the normal classic one, and this is the gamers mode one. So I'm not usually very useful with the classic one, so I cannot go with the gamer one. If we go with the gamer one, I won't understand what I'm doing. I can do that later, but for you people, I'll show you how it looks. So setup is complete. We can go ahead and done. So now it will show me welcome. Step into the universe of Akira on the spaceship. So my friends, this video is getting very long, so I will make a second part of this video or the continuation of this unboxing. So stay safe, my friend. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts about this product, you can ask in the comment section below, and I will link the description for the product to buy if you want. Stay safe. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.